Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. In this video, we'll focus on 4 words: better, black, class, complete. So let's start with the first word, better. Much better, feel better, even better, better time, better way, better off, get better, better than. This sofa feels better than our old one. It's quite soft. I like tea better than coffee. Richa, you seem to be overweight. I think you better go on a healthy diet. Check out with a good nutritionist too. Which do you like better? Apples or bananas? I like bananas better than apples. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling much better today. Even I feel you're getting better every day. The second word is black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Black and white, black tea, black ink, pitch black. Pitch black means very dark, where you can't see anything in front of you. What do you like more, a color painting or black and white? It depends, but I like a color painting more. The night was pitch black. Some people believe that black cats bring bad luck. I have 2 cats. One is white and the other is black. Tom likes his coffee black. Mary is wearing a black dress. The third word is class, C-L-A-S-S, class. Classroom, English class, classmate, first class, second class, working class, middle class. When the bell rang, the teacher ended the class. Timmy is friendly with everyone in the class. He is the tallest boy in our class. And he always gets a first class. Raju is from a middle class background. Sham always flies business class. The fourth word is complete, C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E, complete. Completed, completely, complete genius, complete list, complete set. Have you completed the project? My work is not complete yet. Give me some time. Oh, at last, I completed my work. Here, boss, take it. Do you know that person? No, she's a complete stranger to me. Please complete the attached application form. Please stay seated until the plane comes to a complete stop. Thank you. So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.